In a world where the boundaries between agony and liberation blur, one seeker stands at the crossroads of pain and redemption. This is not just a tale of exercises. This, the journey into the infernal labyrinth of the McGill Trinity within the depths of hell. Welcome, hero, to the realm of possibilities within the Inferno. Today, I'll guide you through the McGill Big Three, the holy trinity that holds the key to transcending the fiery chains of lower back pain. Let's begin with the bird dog. Dive into the flames, hero. Extend your left arm straight in front of you and your right leg straight behind you. Feel the alignment, the awakening of your muscles amidst the infernal blaze. Like this. As you extend, breathe deeply through the scorched air. Feel your diaphragm expand. Engage your core. Now exhale slowly and deliberately as you bring your arm and leg back to the starting position. Controlled breath is the heartbeat of the bird dog. I can feel the stretch, and strangely the pain is easing in this infernal manifestation. Onto the side plank. Lie in the burning space, elbow directly beneath your shoulder. Stack your legs amidst the fiery glow. Lift your hips until your body forms a straight line. Breathe deeply amidst the infernal heat. Like this. Perfect. Hold that position, feeling the engagement in your obliques amidst the hellish flames. There is a third exercise, the modified curl-up. It is incredible. With each curl, you will surely feel the pain ease. But that's another story. Remember, this journey doesn't end here within hell. The McGill Trinity is a companion amidst the flames. Keep your spirit unbroken and find the third exercise that will complete the Trinity to release yourself from the Inferno.